Organic learning.
Hey there, kiddos! Miss Dot here. Today we're going to make a fun chart to figure out which street vehicle we see the most. Are you ready? Let's do it! What street vehicle do you see? That's right, it's a fire truck. And to remind us that we saw a fire truck, let's put a fire truck sticker down on our chart. Very good! We'll keep track of all the fire trucks we see in the top row. What street vehicle is this? Correct! A garbage truck. To remind us that we saw a garbage truck, let's put a garbage truck sticker down on our chart. Great! So the middle row of our chart will keep track of all the garbage trucks we see. What kind of street vehicle is this? Yes, it's a school bus. And since it's a school bus, what kind of sticker should we put on our chart? Correct! A school bus sticker. And each school bus sticker will remind us that we saw one school bus. Perfect! So, we'll keep track of all the school buses we see in the bottom row of our chart. So what street vehicle do you think we'll see next? A fire truck, garbage truck, or a school bus? Did you guess a fire truck? If you did, awesome! You got it right! Okay, we see a fire truck. So what sticker should we put on our chart? A fire truck sticker! You got it! We put another fire truck sticker in the fire truck row. What's up next? Hooray! Another school bus! I love school buses! Okay, help me out here. We see a school bus, so we should definitely put another school bus sticker on our chart. But where on our chart does this school bus sticker go? That's correct! This school bus sticker goes into the bottom row of our chart, right next to the other school bus sticker. Hey, do you want to know how many of each street vehicle we've seen so far? Okay, let's read our chart and figure it out. If we want to know the number of fire trucks we've seen, all we have to do is count the number of fire truck stickers on our chart. Let's count. 1, 2. Our chart says we've seen 2 fire trucks. How do we figure out how many garbage trucks we've seen? By counting the number of garbage truck stickers. Correct! Are you ready to count them? 1. Our chart says we've seen just 1 garbage truck. How many school buses have we seen so far? Well, let's count the number of school bus stickers. 1, 2. We've seen 2 school buses so far. Isn't it awesome how our chart helps us keep track of all the street vehicles we've seen? Pretty cool, huh? Great! Let's keep going! Yay! Another fire truck! So, we should put another fire truck sticker on our chart, right? One more fire truck sticker in the fire truck row. Well, hello again, Mr. Garbage Truck. We haven't seen you for a while. Can we please add you to our chart? Thank you! There he goes! Another garbage truck sticker in the garbage truck row. Thanks, Mr. Garbage Truck! Wow! Another garbage truck! That's 2 garbage trucks back to back. Time to add another garbage truck sticker to our chart. A fire truck! Awesome! So, let's add another fire truck sticker to our chart. Very good! A school bus! Excellent! Let's put another school bus sticker on our chart. Great! Cool! Another garbage truck. So, let's add one more garbage truck sticker to the middle row of our chart. Perfect! Are you guys ready to see the last street vehicle? Which one of the 3 do you think it will be? A fire truck! Hooray! This fire truck is the very last vehicle. So, let's put one last fire truck sticker in the fire truck row. And our chart is complete. Great job making our street vehicles chart, kiddos. Now, let's use our chart to count the total number of each street vehicle we saw. If we want to know how many fire trucks we've seen, all we have to do is count the number of fire truck stickers on our chart. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to our chart, we saw a total of 5 fire trucks. Very good. Now, let's figure out how many garbage trucks we saw. Count the garbage truck stickers with me. 1, 2, are you counting with me? 3, 4. Our chart says we saw 4 garbage trucks. And finally, how many school buses did we see? Let's count all the school bus stickers and find out. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We saw a total of 3 school buses today. Great counting, kiddos! When we read our chart, it tells us that we saw 5 fire trucks, 4 garbage trucks, and 3 school buses. So now, the big, huge, ginormous final question of the day is, which street vehicle did we see the most? A fire truck! Yes, you're absolutely correct! Our chart tells us that we saw a fire truck the most because the fire truck row has the most stickers. Hooray! Great work, kiddos! Thanks for making a fun street vehicles chart with me. You did an excellent job. Bye-bye! See you next time! If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you!